how you end up back with me. Come through, come through, come through, come through.
Hey you guys, it's Nessa or Nessa Ellison, and welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, I want to say thank you guys so much for 1K. We made it to 1K and I am so appreciative. Support truly means so much to me from the bottom of my heart, from the deep dark pits of my heart. I love you. But today we're trying things different. Like, I'm a black girl and I do want to get better at doing makeup, so we're gonna follow Miss Natori makeup glam routine. And I kind of stopped doing my makeup. Okay, so let me tell you what I used already. So I already used this, which is my cleanser. It's from the Face Shop. It's just their rice water cleanser. Yeah, I'm using Good Molecules. It's not a lot in here, but I'm thinking of buying it, so we'll see. So I'm using this as my toner. I know, like, for me, I've always known that a good makeup comes from a good base, so I'm already knowledgeable of that. So I already put on toner. I'm gonna follow that up with Essence RX. You guys have definitely heard about this. It's honestly so moisturizing. I love it. Like, I don't know if I've seen differences yet because I've been using that for maybe like I want to say, I don't know, actually. I don't know how long I've been using that, but I don't feel like there's been like any changes other than just me looking more moisturized. It's more dewy. It's like everything goes on better when I do this essence. And for reference, I do have oily skin. This girl is going to be my inspiration. She's so pretty. But I'm going in next with the Glow Recipe. This is their watermelon moisturizer. It smells exactly like simply watermelon, like the juice. And I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. In this cup, I don't have a latte. I have some tea. It is Publix peach tea. Y'all, I don't know what it is about it. Like, it doesn't really have a flavor, but I really enjoy it.
Uche, and I do makeup videos, so let me teach you a thing or two, maybe, hopefully. So I love to apply everything in twos.
We're gonna be using NYX Marshmallow Primer. I still have this pack, so I'm gonna be using that. And I'm just gonna pat that into my skin. I truly believe that, like, this year, I'm gonna learn how to do makeup like the way that I want it. Cause last year around this time, I was doing my makeup because I was actually going places, and then I stopped going places, and I feel like that kind of like gave me a pause on doing makeup, and then I just never picked it back up unless I'm going somewhere. But then I really didn't like my makeup all the way. It was like I threw something on and it was okay, but I could have done better type thing. I just feel like my lips are super dry, so I'm just gonna put some ointment on that for now. Oh crap, I forgot my under eyes. I always do it, so it should be fine for now. I feel like I could still apply it on top of the primer. I don't know. So this is Role Models. Well, the brand is Hero Status. Role Model Brightening Roll-On Eye Serum. This is what it looks like. And so it has vitamin C, grapefruit extract, kiwi extract, and blah 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 blah. The difference, I just really like the feeling, and that might be all that there is to it. But I feel like I should have definitely applied this before the primer, but low-key I feel like it's so much more glossy because of the primer. And that primer, I feel like it definitely like blurs the lines of my face, and I really like that, like, because I don't know, like, I'm very expressive, and so I feel like my eyes just tell it before anything else, and we need to work on that. He does everything in two, so we're gonna be doing two foundations. I'm guessing that is because she wants to get a better blend, and I feel like none of my foundations match me. They're either too dark or too light. Milk, you guys can tell I've had this for a while. This is Milk in the color 29N. This is Bobbi Brown's Tinted Moisturizer in the color Rich 1. I had a brush, I don't know where it is. So we're just gonna use this brush, which is a Expert concealer brush, but we're basically gonna use this over our whole face because I don't have the big brush. I don't know where it's at. I'm going to be mixing Milk and Bobbi Brown, Rich 1 and 29N. Gonna do 1, 2,
I love to apply everything in
3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Bobbi Brown, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna take my brush. I'm so nervous. And we're gonna mix that all together. I just feel like the Bobbi Brown makes me so oily, and I don't like how oily it makes me. I mostly got it because of just the fact that it's just so great at coverage. But whatever. So I'm just tapping it. I'm not really brushing it. Or like I'm lightly brushing it, but mostly dabbing it into everywhere really. I feel like I knew how to do my makeup somewhat last year, and I was getting a base or like a routine down, and then I stopped because I wasn't going anywhere. And low-key, I shouldn't have stopped because I feel like if I didn't stop, I'd be so much further now. Maybe I would have been like popping up like, y'all, this is how y'all do your makeup. Because I've done tutorials, but honestly, it's a learning process. Like, I've done tutorials, but I don't know how to do it. Yeah, I like that. Okay, I like it so far. I really do. Oh my god, y'all, I used to walk around with nothing on my forehead, and I thought that looked cute. And you know, in the time, everybody thought it looked cute, as in like that was the trend. But if you see that in real life, y'all, we all knew that was not cute.
I did 2 primers, I mixed 2 foundations. You definitely don't have to do all that, but so I love using brushes because I prioritize coverage, and then I'll go over with a sponge as my second pass.
You know, a lot of people have been saying like that if you have a similar face to Uche, then like it'll make more sense, because mostly her face that makes it. And I truly believe that, and I don't think I'm gonna look exactly like her, but I do think that me and her kind of share some features. So I guess this is the base. Cool base, cool base. So I don't know why she's rushing, girl. We need to take this step by step. Okay, so we're gonna do this part now. Okay, this is 67P, best skin ever in 67P. I'm trying to get it just for how she applied it. I feel like that's how she applied it. I might be wrong, but that's what I got from it. I'm going to color correct just a little bit because I do have some dark spots, and she didn't do that part, but I'm gonna do that part. I am going in with Huda Beauty's Faux Filter Corrector in the shade Papaya. So not too much, although that feels like it's a lot. And I feel like I should do some around my lips just so we have a more defined when we do our lip liner. There we go, there we go. So yeah, I think that's all the places I really want to touch on. Watch it melt into my skin. Wow. So for concealer, I'm basic with this. I'm gonna use LA Pro concealer, and I'm using the shade Fawn. I used to use Cool Tan, way too light for me. I still think Fawn is too light, but that's what we're using. I'm literally just gonna follow like this picture. Wait. What about, I have to get that as well. Still gonna go in with a little bit of Cool Tan though, just because I like the lighter. I know she does, like when she does use 2 concealers, because she didn't use 2 in here, she usually uses like the lighter one on the outside. If this would go. Ones, right? But in this video, she brings the contour down to her nose and she puts the concealer on her nose as well. Somewhat like that. I look crazy. So she starts from the darker side first.
It will absorb most of the products.
And she works her way up. Like that. And I've been seeing in her late videos she's gone like going down, so I'm gonna mostly go up like that and then bring the rest down. I've been seeing some people do it and it's like the line just looks so harsh, and I might look like that too, thinking I'm looking better doing it, but I don't like that look, so that's why I didn't go down first, because I feel like here, my hair is darker anyway. Okay, so we look crazy right now, and I hope this is not what we're gonna end up looking like. Y'all, I look crazy. Like, I don't know if I'm trusting the processor all the way, because wait, I'm trusting it because I already see the eye trying to take a shape and I'm trusting it. Just brushing that part out. Oh my god, it's getting there. It's getting there, y'all. It's looking so good. I'm loving it so far. It's definitely it looks so soft. I do want a brighter here, just a little bit brighter. So I'm gonna go in with the fawn again. That is not how we did it the first time, but it's how we're gonna do it this time. That we're still gonna go in with the lighter foundation at the end. So fawn is this one. Gonna go in with a little bit of Cool Tan at the ends. And then we're gonna, y'all, I think I'm getting the hang of this all over again. This is so, it's not taking me aback. Wow. This setting powder I'm gonna use is from Huda Beauty, and it is in the shade Peach Pie, which is way too light for me. But honestly, I knew it would be a little light, but I didn't know it would be this light. And I bought it online. The reason that I got it was sent to me, but I got it because the one I wanted was not available anymore. It was like sold out. No, it's still wet. I'm gonna use my beauty blender instead, y'all. And this is literally how I use it at first. While that's going on, I'm going to, I have this rose water, and so I could also use that as setting spray, but I don't know, like I kind of didn't want to have to do that. So we're gonna see what we have to do when I'm done with my eyes and everything. So I'm going to be using this DIY lash kit from Will We Seal, something like that, and it is a 30D set, 0.07 D 9 to 16 mix, and I don't know what's 9 with 16, but I just know that this is what it looks like because I've used it quite often. I'm going to be using this as glue, INV Mega individual glue, and I'm just going to be using a little bit of glue and applying these lashes. I can't really tell you what I'm going to apply. I just know I'm gonna do 2 of these on each eye. I don't know, we'll see. I've given up on the lashes low-key because I just feel like it's a lot for now. So I'm just gonna leave it this way. I didn't layer it or anything. This is literally 1 layer. I feel like I should layer it, but I don't know. Something about them today is just not doing it for me. Mascara from Give Beauty. It is Can't Stop Staring mascara. Yeah. I feel like I've low-key been DJing how she does her makeup for a while without knowing like I've been DJing it, because she does like the bottom lashes. I've been doing bottom lashes. I just love how it looks. Yeah. And she does beauty marks. I do beauty marks that I don't have. Sometimes I just do it over acne that I have. I know she doesn't really have that problem, but I'm using this. This is from Key Beat It. Let me make sure I got it correctly this time. I'm gonna tag her down below. It's just a brown liner. I love it. Kind of draw in it a little, right?
Thank you for watching. My name is Uche and I do makeup.
I followed Uche's tutorial and this is what I got. And I feel like I really like the outcome, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe down below for more videos like this one. And 2024, I'm learning how to do my makeup, and that's just set in stone. So bye. This is day 2 after practicing Uche Natori's routine, and this is what I like so far. Let's see how we do in maybe a month from now. Yeah, like I think I ate. I have oily skin and I feel like it really lifts up my features. See you in the next video. Bye.